Hello, what's your name? Hello, what's your name? Hi, my name is Zali. Hi, my name is Zali. What do you do? What do you do? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have brother. Yes, I have brother. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. How old are you? How old are you? I am 40 years old. I am 40 years old. What is your hobbies? What is your hobbies? I like to cook. I like to cook. Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? Yes, please. Yes, please. What time is it? What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? Yes, I enjoy exploring new places. Yes, I enjoy exploring new places. Can I help you with anything? Can I help you with anything? No, I am good. Thanks. No, I am good. Thanks. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I love pizza. I love pizza. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? It was amazing. It was amazing. What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? My favorite book is English. My favorite book is English. What's your favorite fruit? What's your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite fruit is mango. What's your favorite personality? What's your favorite personality? My favorite personality is Allama Iqbal. My favorite personality is Allama Iqbal. Do you like to read books? Do you like to read books? Yes, I enjoy reading books. Yes, I enjoy reading books. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? My birthday is in March. My birthday is in March. Can you speak Urdu? Can you speak Urdu? Yes, I speak Urdu. Yes, I speak Urdu. Can you swim? Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Yes, I can swim. Who is your favorite player? Who is your favorite player? Babar Azam is my favorite player. Babar Azam is my favorite player. How is your family members? How is your family members? All are good. All are good. Can you help me a little? Can you help me a little? Tell me how can I help you? Tell me how can I help you? What are you doing? What are you doing? Nothing. Nothing. Do you know me? Do you know me? I know you. I know you.